Komiti matiyo moko chik miluwo Uganda maneno ko makilo komani office wa president otiyo tujute ogwai kom lotela ma Yomoro district pilo kom cho nying dano wario kilorem kidong time chamchana ma obedo tete yup mere stalking onyochulo chente pidie padan magorwenyo ikar melwenyi komalo meluwo Uganda report ni TP intini yup melo ange ma ochin kumken mapola ta obiyar komiti ento kongwacha kineno wiye madir kadong wadugu chen wamete unukachel. Lodela ma Yomoro district giti lier matek piloko mcho nying dar makom gipere e yub mechulo pidieni yaki office pa president. Odiat madit ma apacho rem kilo tich miya chel piera bier yabongwen maweko bid maopong. Kadong anyuali Zambia tin guchar kabolo kuyeme yala tela manyen matwero leyu onyobene hichile madore kom pechene Mario lupe ket malwako bolo kore kui meyero president.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Amore ilanen wanlu television tini tichi angwen nindo pao ya dek medremia boro mwaka alibario pirubichel ania sande akumo lohange mochun dong mete anyim kombiti. Komiti meon moko chek meneno ko bikom aki office of president gutia wani donati komutid Yomoro district malutid megamente mete dero. Komiti man mawon komiti MP meba degele ibi division man Martin Ojan Mapenduzi nguno ni mono lotela me district man pago tiyo mabe ekar mecho nying dana penongo chene maki bod gamente wil mechiling million abija beach mechulo pediem daru ni kar melwen kiloni restocking lo makino wani mon dana mokain ke cho nying kon kom gebeno bero pere yo megamo chente wakotela go cham chente enete yubni enim iken jangwen maloko matek dong tikom gayeti James koma kecho chen mati giso mepalea town council mukena ye Caroline Nyakorach mati town agent me Budo Wood Zakeo Labeja mati town agent me Iba Wood kidong Keti Achibu mati town agent me Ira Wood Papenduzi dongo tiane mono miyo chente man makimiya wadana bechil mono tininken komge pereni awagamente ronyo chilling million pera dekolo en ite yupni enem matuti kom ngomo timeki Yomoro district kom mapoko chena magamele timne karman padana moro endiengi onen keyboard David Magere nyuara ma Yomoro district.
In 1 minute, then we go to Yomoro district, then Agamo district, and then
Dul Matiei ot moko chik me Uganda magiluoni Parliamentary Committee on Presidency kono kitika kwerilu tich makaro angwen me Yomoro District Local Government pe kore komgi ne gen go wer wako chente dogu miyo chente bod juma perwate iyup me dwoko dien iching dano iyo mechol magiluoni restocking matika ward ilewa choli kono kon man obero iyo potoro madul man gubolo ichiario kar magen go limo Gulu City kago beru kanywako tam kitimo kwet i local government ducho me iloba choli kama gen gutimo kwet Inwaya gutimo kwet Yomoro gutimo kwet Gulu City gutimo kwet Gulu district ka gutimo kwet Yamoro kadong district Lamuo pade kikit gumpego o no dulman malatel wiga yela chuni od moko cheke me ba degala yibi division man honorable Martin Ojan Mapenduzi kono tel wigi ni kono gen gunoni joma gichogi tiutich Mary Stocking man lutich pamiri nyo government i local government me Yomoro kelo ruenyo pachente ma ochier mera ta bodano maono mere pego nung lim chente maromo chilling million piera dek ma ochier bodan maono gen giluoni ghost beneficiaries.
This gentleman, his brother, had replaced because, look, let me show you. In that area, the one who should have benefited, who was selected by the community in that area,
ino dulman ki koki kom kumake James Uchen mati giso me Palea Town Council nyako Raj Caroline mati town agent me Budo Ward mati Palea Town Council ki kok bene ikom la beja Zakeo mati town agent me Ba Ward ma bene tie Palea Town Council ki dongi kok bene ikom Keti Achibu mati town agent me Ira Ward ma bene ti town council meno yengu no pe ma dit yo moro eno upong Palea Town Council kam wachi tim mecho Dani Wiali tim mecho wadi o kilurem kiti ma perwate ki kit chik mano gi kero mecho Dani no yuman utime ye e kar me penyo joman kono inyim lwak ki committee meno joman kono go kwer wako koko ikomgi kon gi wajeni gien joma gi cho ni jomati
if I go to drink in a training center or I enjoy life in a training center, am I treated a resident of that training center? No. So how do you register someone who lives in Gobi Kidikali to benefit from Palea Town Council? Thank you, Chair. I am reliably informed that one, in the selection process, I never took part. Can I ask you a question? Yes, I want you to be very honest with yourself. This Katumba is called Amon, isn't it? Alright? Yes. Amon and is Katumba. What is his relationship with the town agent? Be honest with yourself. Thank you, Chair. I cannot be in question of establishing the relationship, but to the best of my knowledge, what I know, according to Chairman Terrifying, say Amone Dennis Katumba is the husband to the town agent, which is not right. The husband to the town agent, I know him, is called Omar Thomas, who lives in Port Harcourt. So what you are saying is, it is true Katumba Dennis Amore is not a resident of that area. He comes from Kidikali. That's my final answer.
Ento Ali Muhammad Enoch Okelo masi LC Siri me Palea Town Council kono ngono jomana ti nyimlwak I winyulok motime ke gulu City Health Boardroom kono kwa ala jwach ni joman kono go temo je mani wiali kono go cho jomo kene manu mergen pego nung chente pego lungo ka choke mario ingeti ka choke machiel gen nungu yer dano magen ge mergi gigi pigi kengi kono go temo je mi wiali
James has got there people fixed to benefit from Palea Town Council, of which they are not the natives of Palea Town Council. Even in Igudu Ward, even in Udiak Ward. That's why the town agent for Udiak is here and for Igudu is here. I have made that report to the chairperson. Secondly, these people whom they were fixed to benefit from Palea fraudulently, they were later on got money from them. And I request Mr. Chair, please come and investigate about this from the ground. The committee members are concerned. Finally, even the members here. Wait, relax a bit. Start helping with water. I am going to listen to you. We are not in a hurry. Okay? Relax. So you say the town agent of which other areas has fixed people? The town agent for Igudu. Igudu. The name is here. The person whom we don't know has never existed in Palea. Give us the detail. For Igudu. The person is called Kidega Benon.
Kid Meno Bene, Robina, Ayamo, Mathieu Council Beach, Machung Pilwak, Palea Town Council, Umoro Lok Meno, Konwachi Joman, Guberu Katimu Jem, we are Lee.
The second is really talking. He kept me tell a duju uberi can then on my gang area. The tell a malo, a kilo tell a magan. Kept the way the pair inviting anybody. Good wiki. Good word. My God, looking American making wiki, LC2, blinding game, with your receipt.
Inoni dulman bene go temo sample nyo go temo trial nyo temo minyang matut kon go go chim bot LC2 me wat achiel magiluoni Budo Ward kono manyeo no eke ken yo chien o chieno tero kakar ne gen machalo LC2 dum pegi luogi pe mogo nying joman ama joman go cho jomo ken machalo Kidega Benson madano maberu wai kor sub county ento charo will I Palea Town Council ma bene tie wat pa town ajian achiel kin jo mokene mapol ata. Martin Ojar Mapenduzi ing'ol lok mameno kono wachi jo ang'wen magi man kuma ke James nyako raj Caroline Labeja Zekeo kia chibu keti maya gien noti gisu kidong jo adek mokene ti town agency mere kongo chiet board la cho lok nyola kwet bal pa police pa dulmeno man CID pa team me parliamentary committee pa president kam jo man no gitika gwogi kon gitia cho lok togi e komwero kom wel chente man.
Colleagues, from this, we can consider the following people: Odongnik, Kumaket Dennis, Achiro Fiona, Obio Innocent. Those are from Iran. Fortunately, you consider that indeed a number of them do not come from there. They are known there, but they stay elsewhere. And in Kuduku Ward, Katomba Dennis, his other name is Amore. He's also a resident of another sub-county, neighboring Balea, correct? And then Olanya Walter. These are considered host. When you look at this, Balea has lost 30 million. That should have gone to 6 people. These are citizens who deserve to be treated fairly, and so we will request the CID to interact with you to establish what exactly motivated you to conceal that information and refuse to give to the DISO.
Mapenduzi wachi biro gi ngaotam ikom lok do jeni kono tie pi lok mano gen gi winyu maikin je mokene dan tika wer wichente woko jo mokene tika no peho gen gi kwer gi woko cho wari o kilure mikin je mokene mano gen town America kwet gi komgi tier wachi peho man kon peti o mor ke ken gino pere Gulu district gino pere Gulu city atirane ente district mokene no gitika tim be lorange One Luo TV David Magere.
What? Do we have the town agent for Togo Ward?
Lutela kilo puonye magiti ya chwel mamalo guchi golo nyor me gwaklo tion gi mabe ka gedigu cheni kar minongo yue metame ario me mwaka kwan ali bario piare yo bichel eni ke wani mono tion mapol ga godugo pare kar mo ken lo nyor mi bot gen tit mapol ata da ben ge wake bera la tata pege no kar me bero pin pado ka ponje ma mior go ponje ka bena mi bot gen kar pe me kwano buk ya ge lo tion kwan dok cheni gang kwan mono pego yo pe mabe me chako kwan ya chaki metam dujum lokman ne dulma klon mon adra Uganda ayo goro nyore kilo poni wakenywak lok mabero chwale kom gwoko lutine kar maweyo otime ke kit municipality kama John Sani uchaga John obeltie kono kinying One Luo television.
Haluteno tika dugu iweyo kicheko nyoro menena ni ge yabu wangi kirme gwako luteno ikare man manogu buberi iweyo ni wekpego yoke kibal na Binson James kidega dijime agago district otero ni mara hikare menena ni lunyoro guma kokori gi me gwako luteno kagudugo iweyo.
For 15 years is where is she? Where is Akelo? Where is Ojok? He mobilizes children, and now it is worse that they don't have one room where they gathered people to check. So, and the pattern of sleeping has also changed. Those days we sleep together in a grass house with our father. You are that kind, you know, there's a kichira in a grass house, but nowadays there's a curtain. So parents, you see that those kind of culture is also affecting. This change of culture is affecting our people. That children can get out anytime and go for disco. A 10 years child. Yeah. A 9 years child. Parent doesn't ask. They just want to blame and say leaders should look at it. Leaders, our children are getting spoiled. But what is your role? So we need now to help them also. How do you help these parents who are children? Is to put pressure on them.
Alice Joyce Auma, la fonme adilang la laka primary school wajoni, gifonyo lutieno kid momiero, gukwo kwede wek gudogang, no gingeyo kid momiero, gibet kwede ikare meyweyo.
They go and train the entire school. Even sometimes the management would even be there attending the training together with other pupils at large. So this thing, it has been a benefit and it has been a success, especially it has helped us to bring our girls, to bring them up upright. And now as I talk, we have few challenges. Where a girl can leave school, we are struggling, and there are some few cases about dropout of girls from school. So even the parents have come to know, because as we train the girls, or those who are in the project, they even go, the girls go and also they carry the same information to their parents.
Robina Nabatanzi la lupko la wilufonye me pala Berogili Secondary School ila mo district ukateni ichukul kifonye lutiana nyera mengeyo be kirach we ko kigigang wa ikare manogitie bene gang kwan.
We want to guide them in certain paths in life that they could not be known. And when we talk to them, we talk when we are open. We tell them A is A, we tell them B is B, so that they know. So that they grow up knowing, when I go for this, it's bad. When I go for sex, it's bad. When I have a boyfriend at an earlier age, it's bad. So you find that through that talking, we have been able to keep our girls in school. And then we also test them every 2 weeks. When the term opens, you find we test our girls to ascertain how many have come back healthy, how many have come back with an addition of maybe babies. So we do that, and when we do that, we talk to them also, we engage parents, we engage other stakeholders, and see how to help them.
Mite matek nilu nyoro gutememe gwakolotiano mabe we kaki doki gangkwan nugi dok la bon yela maromo ballo anyimgi doko miero lu nyoro miero nene gi dok chen kafonyu lutiano ikit machon me achuli we lutiano gubeit luwin dok nugi beru bene dano makwiri piwanlu TV Jonisani o chakachon ikit gum municipality.
Kea Patch District Municipality koro madit ni mo ayat madit pagamente madit district man peti lutid moromo ikina beti Dr. Omiero Wilgo beti lutid wa Omiero betgen mia dek piara bichi angwen maore mekar manti mia chel piara bere bongwen kolom report na lit meloyo otiat mana yo moko bolu cholo ngea dok bene kindio magitigo remo yariti daktari lucholo kidong man nurses ikindio moken mapigiti kama mi kon mayot komati pilwak magitika no kon mayot kom en ki oyat madit pagamenti matia pa district name Jasper Egwel Kelly report wanen kongi boten yup melo range mochin itika nene pudi kan ki Wanlu TV
da hatale amay welgitian nok yore duong ma pati yereng medical doctor numir bedgin piare wadek ento apa general hospital kom karman peke medical doctor apar bitwal nursing officer midwifery numir bedgin apar eno tika chelken nursing officer nursing numir bedgin apar eno tia dek assistant nursing officer midwifery numir bera par chel eno tika deken assistant nursing officer nursing numir bedgin pia de wadek ento tika apar ken.
Initially is a 100-bed capacity hospital, and currently we surpass our capacity. Our catchment population is supposed to be 35,162 persons per year, but we see over 5,000 people per year. Translating the exhaustions of resources available at hand. We have 175 staffs who are technical and support staff out of the 348 expected staff. We are at a staffing level of 50.3%, translating to half of what is expected for the general hospital. And now we have 8 medical doctors, 5 medical officers, 1 senior medical officer at school, 3 associate consultants, leaving a gap of 15 doctors to be employed here. That was supposed to be 15 plus 8 to make those many numbers. We have for the nursing staffs, we are just going to give the staff. We have no principal nursing officer, we have an acting principal nursing officer. Nursing officer, midwifery are supposed to be 10, we have only 1. We are supposed to have nursing officer, nursing supposed to be 10, we have 3. We are supposed to have assistant nursing officer, midwives. They are supposed to be 11, we have only 33. And the one for nursing officer, assistant nursing officer, nursing, they are also supposed to be to the tune of around 15, but we have only around 9.
Job apa general hospital men numir berke assistant nursing officer gin pier ngwen ento tika para de ken e como para de kamatieni bon wen yere dia mo mor ko e ko como chara
Manakawa, I have one concern. I've been promoted since 2011 to assistant nursing officer. That time it was nursing officer. I got the designation. I'm an assistant nursing officer. But up to now, I've not yet been migrated to HCM. This is now the 4th year. I have no salary. I know the criteria which they use to migrate people to HCM. Right now in our district, I think the health workers are remaining about 9. We are remaining 9 of us. 7 from the hospital, then 2 from the health center. So I don't know what you can do about our migration. I don't know whether our names are too heavy to enter in that computer where they say your name has not entered in the computer.
As I speak now, just a few days ago, again I made another write-up to see that you also joined the HCM. So please bear with us. We are doing all it takes to make sure that everybody is enrolled onto the HCM.
Agwo perker koho meme dorwam me dokti chame tiu dio ticha pol la meti ore duong ma pach poler wako ber jo amo ber da hataling wibie ma pach disi ko titika ma pach ni manano
kena mitakwa ko ni utishwani yelle gire tijo keno kwano ametia mituni ruam gida miru med ama kwa yini nen kakanu ite konyogi pijo ati qualified ikongi med giruam meme you teach the waranyim abe
ko kanga tati jere raj be o mi promotion awuno jowa
nya dunka wani kale mako ticho kama ini twale wa da hatal kan una ubi ke office mere ameni okonwa eno ka yin wor men mo kan wor no ni dan no importa kama wodi da wor ke kwan
Wananchi have a cause to cry that the person has been recruited this year, last month, as an enrolled nurse. In the following month, the person has gone. Some of them even go without when they are still on probation. So that is what the people are talking about. Without confirmation, you already gone to studies. 1 year you already gone. At least serve the people for at least 2-3 years. Then you go. We all want our children to grow in their career. But the timing, the structuring should be positive.
Akwa hoko ho me welo ti chano kameti di ore duong ma pach medo kere medo rom medok ti ka ma pach kono emi laboro e juku en koni lokere kere da hataling o ta dero kere wibie ma pach cho hare mele yutam man baraja mo beri chiengario igere me ore duong ma pach en kono tiro peki maga meti di district ma pach ame miu ti ko peki magi po da hatek.
Therefore say that as we speak now, majorly one issue is not there, and that is the DSC. To a certain extent, we also don't have enough wage to promote every other person that is eligible to be promoted. Otherwise, if all the 3 are available, then surely we shall subject them to competition.
Jabita mokarne kono kanchi la duong ma pach bino ber gini chohare o tay moko nyingjo moko kan me o chwalo dang ministry me public service me amoha me ber me district service commission ka ministry me public service ber ke kar me moko nyingjo magi nyurni manon dogon me choy je tich dong ta yabere
now that Ross Adon Ogwan Akari be the chairperson district service commission for my district Mayo.
P1 Lo Television, Jaspegwell, Iapach Municipality.
Lutela mai kabara mai do district dungote ko pongo buari o mono dong bolo tela me district man executive me district mamiro betie wek no council kitela obetie yo mapore adot me council me district me kabara mai do Julia Achiu o mogoni mon kitio yelo member yo man Grace Junior EPO Ginki David Eluru Odia wek go chak teach en me pongo bu mono dong idiro mani lo diro makelo gine executive me district noni pongo bu mandong wego district chako titla bon yela no dano nti mo pong mamete kom duju me district man weke tim tit kit mamete kwere metela kidong bene chopo mire palwak ma chwalo jumagi office nim wati ki report ma kibot maikonye
Council me district meka bere maido ena chenga tin otwero tieko timo e pelogi meneno be oyer jare alem orem mebedo I committee me members me district executive committee. Council Ameda Raban Julia Achio en audo tietelo en abin omoko David Eluru Odia mebedo kalani ame maker karachel kede kop melim gono plans karachel kede kopi komtel aso i bada maker karachel kede kopi kom yote kede jamina moteto en ameda kansulo bin oyei moko Grace Junior Epiu metero kabedo noni Epiu en achungo achalo bala apire kene kansila die chungo na jome alwa dongoche oudo ebedo kansila ameda chungo na ipongai David Elur Odia en obedo kansila me chungo na jome town council mochero do en ebedo ipati me FDC ni dokon ngoche de district gere oudo da ebedo kalane me makere karachel kede kopi kom lim Joge na me bin oko lairo ya fesi me ngata lojo tich me district me kabere maido oko kwano gitimo tiche karachel kede chuny me arriba kin.
You have just taken oath. I want you to know what taking an oath means. It's not just about reading these things and you leave them aside. You have to live by this oath. You are now the faces of the district. So whatever you're going to do, you do it bearing in mind that you are representing the district. Right from chairperson, cow, your colleagues, council, you are now their representative. So you now, from today, change your lifestyle. We are here to work together. Support the cow, because you are now in there. Support the technical staff to work for the good of the people of Kabremaida. Of course, I've told people many times that we must always share. But where we make mistakes, let's accept, be remorseful. When you make a mistake, don't compound it by being arrogant.
The work of the secretary is a work of the minister. You represent cabinet, you represent government. Even the way you conduct yourself, you must be knowing that you have the image of the district. And you have been given responsibility to manage people, to manage resources, both material, financial, and otherwise, and also to serve the public, the community. So the community will be looking at you, but what councillors should know is that the primary role why they were elected to come here is to represent their constituencies. And when they represent their constituencies, the major thing is to see that services are delivered and the constituencies are transformed.
Raban me kansulo daino wacho be kopegi binda en okotiek yore apuot.
Kansulo tiek ber olugo order paper. Bala ngata utiyo sek kede joping. Loko ngata nyang ber mitine joping. Ngata mito anapakin okomie ko yamo be work and kare. Ekomede kede forming ministers mege. Dako mine kare. So meeting council sitting no koto luongo sek. But ing'eyo jamna diowa kare come sente funds okobedo le ida kotele kede tich edake timo so tina tetendo kotieko formulating secretaries arego amoko da ber kadi bed bala making 2 nominations in order to come up with an appointment. He gave 2 names. But of course, you know, this is Yera ne obedo Yera ame councillors ana Yero. Do me achiel ng'ata achiel kowuokun gibe kwir merolem. Koro koluongo ni ng'ata pat mari teng'eme teacher teng'eme works. So ng'ata taka koluongo me namba reni ame obedo Epiu Junior En adoko uro namba me jo romo. Kodo mi en appointment. Do me abulu wani uro remo. Kede bala jo mwan kana. So, wano tiyo kede democracy. Ka council te approving secretaries maybe finance da kubera mani. Ewo kunu kede nyin jore. Ngata chele. Honorable member ya Chero. Council members da bala oko yoko mini kwiro romo. Oko da kodwoko.
Do councillors bin odagi jare ame udo somo nyingi tingara chel ikumgi obedo Emmanuel Enyenu amechungana jome eteme kabere maido di joda likada bin okoye iketo David Ababa ame wokun iye temeda Ochero. Michael Onyenge Piwanluo TV ikabere maido district.
Maitika neno iloange mochuin makarbotin ne kan Kiwanluo television. Iloange makati kama pat kilobo Uganda anywele Zambia tin gocha bolo kemi yaratelo mokene dokinge kare metela pangat mauno ti koman man hichilima madong bene eno bolo kuine tini jomati chung piberu lotalo botigi na pa uyangwen kemer ki hichilima dok bolo kuitika time tini changwen hichilima mero dugu cheni kom petiane mario ngetela pe mwaka beach meno loe kui iroma malo kui makibolo en imwaka beach mo karangechini wanen kong report ma kilo Zambia bolo kui pe yaratalo manyen. Lo madung chwalo wogo nyunyu makiloni mono kopa maditelo tien mario ki Africa Zambia gober ke per malite lo kom chulu chente bana ma duwiri begin imwaga alibario ki pierario oweko kieno ngope pego chulo o loko doro pero. Nechake karmeno gamente oiwine kidule me International Monetary Fund dunyo IMF mechagone kit mechulo banamani oimwaga alibere pierda kuyachel kono gitiyo kweremene ne kichwalo wakopa mapola ta owekene ne kijio kero metiyo lim. Kero pachente melobo Zambia idwemia ngwen no poro ki pasenta bichel tona boro dok bene kero chente makiluni mono kwachani okelo peko wero ben rom mejema polo yero malo kineti ye welcham kidong wel kero makabene peko pa beruti mapolo ching dano i pasenta papa nywele Zambia ono pekitich moiken ichingi. Pasent makaro piera biro panywele Zambia magiti milion piro warioni gikwo labo chente makaro dola adek kinino malupe kilok mwa kibot World Bank. Ikuime mwakamane tikilu juu apawu ya ngweni iye ikinoti ngamatika telelo eki president Hichilema mani kindana pawu ya deki ayenye Brian Mundubile mwakane piera bitu ya bit ngano bene kong John Obedo minister ndo konoti gamente makilioni Patriotic Front onyo PF. Enodoni chumane jumia bidok beneti kerluor matek madano moken mapol town mono Hichilema pa mar dok cheni kom piene Mundubile tikekero madit bene.
Vote means restoration for peace and unity. That vote means empowerment of youth.
I feel so happy. I'm so grateful that I can exercise my democratic rights. Yeah. So happy.
Feel good. I'm happy about it. I've exercised my right, my democratic right as a Zambian citizen, and I feel great about it. I feel I've fulfilled a responsibility that I have to fulfill for my country.
It's like a burden off my shoulders. It's a relief, and we are voting for the future of this country, the future for our children, and the future for prosperity.
Mundubile karamati lokalo cholo kangia wet ke geni bikara kui ento bene kokono berutini gamento dio entien mapola ta paino kerme bitu kui chala wale chumo kene enikine president Hichilema. Kono konkibo tepati makiloni NRPUP ni enti bene kanongo kon kichwak mapol kibot party makiloni Patriotic Front onyo PF ni. Iloka kilicho loka ng'ia owaini mono Zambia tilo mayo poka tata documente tika diedan mapolo kom tiyo chente kibene wele timo karwo kero kom anywali lobo Zambia. Piloka ng'ia mochinya iwalu television ania Sandia Kumo. Ng'eyo mamaro biachara la chuan moko chek machung pilwak mai kwania county Tony Eron otero miyo kome konyo kachake donje maken mamiete pilwak maromo gen ali badake mia beach makabira konyo kwere dano mekin gang pe yub maken mamiero gore dongi bitiyo ke komo akibot MP Tony Eron mech mano bino ikar mechopo cheke meno kache kwer kar me birto kwi imwaga mao karo enim wanen report kibot Solomon Okabo.
Iyo mitipo dira deke kenya Parliament. A member of Parliament, Honorable Position, which I have to be Eron, Olan Kir, never a member of Parliament. Yera Dun, Eric, Amochungi Weekene, Ikarame kwa Yukui, Eron, Ochihermeti Jama Paul, Mekela Loha Loha, Ikwania, Ikingi, Wilo kome kere tent menono, mekonye gwako wele, ikakumu, nyum kere kagura papat. Dongro me punyere, yot kom kere rocho berbero tedero, ikinje mapol. Ichieng chape to karoni, Eron Tony, opoko koma yelo tutumia dekede mia beach, boto tedero, ameti gombola beach, ichaja kwa nia. Kun chora ya Batan Council, chawa bongwen medi chieng. Eron, unuojola malu. Kaom yu kome mia beach. Iya yabi, igombola yabi, Eron, omiyo kome mia beach, nambieso, kome tutumia chiel, atong tidi, kome mia beach, ka gombola chawente, nuo kome tutumia chiel, ilokeri ya yabi Batan Council, ikarame yabo ticha kome magi, Eron, otiruni me kome magi, nime kube ikarame kome. Eron, otironi tichere i Parliament ma paru yario, ujingere buka matayo, chora bich tiengera bongwen.
Endi mumio tiena kantinti mechobo, gina meano nuwa komo ni kaya yara uyo tina machela dorobelo ha? Gina mkano, ame akelo dushu. Buku koroni tikere weyo, jo amekelo ku. Gen John now, ubiro kwa megene etena ba. Wana shunkan, mekwa yuwa dushuna ya Batan Council ni. Si chamena machela kwa yuwa kwa kokelu ku pashikani. Ameni kwa mka okelu kitu da abelu peye. Ameni ka ko porutie amekiro tum jo lingo te winyi ka ko ripiro tum ko jo wara nyin.
Patrick Oyono Kwamu, arana duong menarem, doka konkor MP Tony Eron, ikob me wibie, ochuta dera mechwa Heron, megwa hare yangale.
Wana wuma yube unukan ne kwa yukwi, wana bu Tony Eron, ine unupeha wanubeye. Jo chai Eron kita chai moro ducha mo chao kire jwe wilogo. Turepe, buri wiyat, Chegepe, Mangape, Jupe, Jomi Dujunga, Mederi Willow, Dupe. Wumpe Wheel, one poem in Yacha, I love you, Mede. Doing in one qual quick at a pehony. One of me the near do Tony Rono Caroni. Mere don't yabdo go a light, make a look your American before what the kid was, make you go gay come one. Doana chungkan acara won Komet district. Kedang acara ngakame boy ame teacher MP. Mai ko buni ko me ngale permito.
otedera moloko kere wan luo television ojoro kere chingi riorio kome amero no chwala tedero
MPs ducha me wano yero peti mora mumio waginora bera menyute omio wano tikere wahadit ujolo komi binu konyo we yore dushu
anna pupunu ko MP ame tikiti yene komien binu konyo we yore pola papat yore me kanisa yore me ko pepe me ta yor me ka ber me wele function tunga ngatro ke ken
yiwa yom pen ki here mere o cha halo bu yor ko kilo wa ma chi here bo ne mi wa ko me ko ni wa ke ti me ko liel ke function sa da no en ti ne na ko me duren ko bera na te la me bera ko ba da en ka me da man no wan di yore ka bi no mi chwak na hana wa ngai no ol
onenu chan da onenu chan e ti chawa ne di kwa ni wa ko e peho adwa ko po ke de la borri nyinga ba pap o ba wot ba chun maleng
Amupe wan luo television Solomon Okabo Ikwania district
Elokom turuti modilo pamon makiluongi ni Lira City Queens me Lira City gocha yobe matere da peko romo katuru manyen ali bare piru beche liri piru abiro APM magin berie man me Fufa Women Elite League Loloch miti mango moro bot wan luo TV ne magiti ko dong chaka pato ken gitikiru turu manyen kije mapol magen yo mekero rom to ge roma malo en APM modilo magwe pamon matilo Uganda eni Atiki report eni lokom turo kibot David Magere.
Lira City Queens man timu dilu maturu IPM turu pamon men abario me club silobu Uganda magiluoni Fufa Women Elite League. Turu Mastan Big Bank karieli magiluoni Finance Trust Bank kono. Kyo charo yobe matek tutwal kon gerepe kidul mador lokum turu ilobu Uganda Man Federation of Uganda Football Association yo Fufa ekidmeng yo bama megi inyim turugi me Fufa Women Elite League pe mwaka turu alibari piru bishel alibari piru bero lokma aki bolo loch me team man kono mati Lira City ni kono omok kakarni team pa Fufa olemo gang turugi mati Lira City kon gengo moko ni meno ba turgyo no futpetie marach kadbeti alaka mukene meta no merge temie gengo timu kwed mamege gi pim kon gi tie ka dugo chen ki report memoko ka gen gi butio ki ba meno nyopere abelo gwang T Sports Administrator i Lira City Queens kono umok lokman bor wan luo TV ikum lokto itoko ilok meto pa mon kon moka kani meno dul pa Fufa gu binu bodge kon go nyaako tam ikum kit magiromo ilu kede ker meto ki ker pa club meno IPM toko matika bino season manyen mana le bari gi piru berni ino ogwango terni men kon kari beti gen gum temu kwed gi mogo mana nokono report ma meno gen go dwoko foot pia go dwoko ka don go dwoko report meno be mi ga kar ma ker me chako yope ma tek tutwal inyim to gi me Elite League ma pol kar rom chake kine dwe ma bongwen onyo dwe ma pa mi mwaga man ento kono gen gi wani a chona ye yat kot mo we gen don gi bi chako don chuk mena lo tuku mene ma geromo kelne iti mene kinje mokene no ni Lira City Queen do tero season achiel kolo IPM toko me Women Elite League kar magen go donyi mwaka toko mo karo alibari gi piru beach yel kon go toko mabe tutwal ni ki toko me Fufa Women Regional League gen go toko toko me season man mo karo ni kono inamba bichel ikin teams aboro magitoko i Victoria Group kon gen go toko ki points piario ikom toko apario magitoko season no gwang wachiner mamege gi merno gi don league meno mabene gi chobuni ento mwaka toko man matika bion gi mer gi tuk matek adada kadonge il team man la mal we olo to bene kagi romo donyo i Super League no berugin mapera tek tutwal i kar me tuk mamegi loka nge kum tuk pamon i wan luo TV David Magere
kakare lanen wan luo television tiro ya gike yub me loka nge mo chuin pan man pichi angwen matini ania sande akumu yub mokeneti kabir pe in peking ki wan luo TV keken